Hi, my name is Reed Timmer, extreme meteorologist and a storm chaser.
Wake up!
Don't get too scared, just hang tight. Okay.
My mom could be out there storm chasing today and see tornadoes, so we can't mess this up.
This is my 10th year of storm chasing. I've seen probably close to 200 tornadoes.
No, he is Dickie Drama. Get out of the car! Dick, we gotta get out of here! There's a tornado right there, right? Wow!
Imagine a video of a quadcopter swarm just going into a tornado.
It's going into the condensation!
And this is the mesocyclone, or rotating updraft of a supercell. It's huge!
Yeah, there!
I'd like to report a large tornado, probably a quarter mile wide now. Look at this. Right here at the Canadian border. That's an amazing tornado. Here we go. Hold on, we don't have the compressor! Slow down! We don't have the compressor! Woo! Get in the backside!